I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you find yourself unable to access your funds on Kraken, follow these steps to recover your locked assets. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Begin by accessing your Kraken account using your credentials. Ensure you are using a secure network to avoid any potential security risks. Step 2. Check for account restrictions. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings to see if there are any restrictions or alerts. Look for any notifications that might indicate why your funds are locked. Step 3. Verify your identity. If there are restrictions, you may need to complete identity verification. Follow the prompts to upload necessary documents such as a government ID or proof of residence. Step 4. Contact Kraken support. If your account is still locked after verification, reach out to Kraken support. Use the support ticket system and provide details about your situation for faster resolution. Step 5. Monitor your email. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for any updates from Kraken support. They may require additional information or provide steps to unlock your funds. Remember, patience is key during this process. I hope these steps help you regain access to your funds quickly.